Hey, this is Jason with the local locksmith company. I'm at the Ford dealership cutting a key for this 2017 Ford Explorer. I've Lishied the door, cut my test key. So now it's time to check and see if it works. So pull the Lishi up here. And then we'll put this right here. And it's the right key, so we Lishied it. Got a key. Now I've cut a transponder key, and here's the transponder. So now we're going to stick that in the door. That one works good. And now into the ignition. Let's see what we got. Perfect. So now we're going to program it. Stay tuned for another video. We'll have a video for programming this key. Again, this is Jason with the local locksmith company. We got that code right out of the door, so we're good there. And if you need locksmith services downriver, this is in Flat Rock, Michigan. We do automotive, residential, commercial locksmith services, and we're the local locksmith company. Thanks.